I remember when they said it couldn't happen. I was wide awake while they were napping. Practice my addition, no subtraction. I took the bad out my life, no distraction.
Hello everyone, before we start this video, I would like to thank Dylan. He's the creator of my intro that you just saw. It's pretty dope, it's pretty fire. I can't wait to use it in more videos. I met him on Fiverr too. And if you guys would like an intro, his links will be down in the description down below. And also make sure you subscribe to his YouTube channel because he creates awesome content as well. And yeah, thanks again Dylan for this intro, and back to the video. What is going on YouTube? My name is Quis, or you call me thyQuis, and welcome back to another video. And in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you guys can record your gameplay, your PS4 gameplay without a capture card. So you don't need a Elgato, for instance, because like all capture cards now are scarce and they either cost too much or they're out of stock. So this is the best alternative because the game DVR is not always reliable. Because sometimes I want to record some clips for YouTube and the clips like end up getting cut in half or they never record at all. So with this way, like, you're guaranteed for it to be recorded. So without further ado, let's get into this video. Now the only two programs you'll need is PS4 Remote Play, obviously, and you're gonna need a screen recorder for PC. So whether that's OBS or XSplit, for example. And once you're on this screen, once you're on this website, it'll be down in the link in the description down below. You're gonna click right here. If you're a Mac user, you click right here. If you're a Windows user, obviously click right here. So Windows, obviously. And then once you're right here, you gotta scroll down because it tells you everything you need. Right here, you click it, and it's gonna give you the installer. Of course, you open it, you install it. And now I already installed it, so I'm not gonna do that. So you just click yes, and then you go through the installation process. So now, once you have it, the shortcut should be on your desktop. Now you're gonna open it. Now, when you first launch this program, it's gonna take long for you because it has to update and stuff. But for me, I already installed it, so it just goes straight through. Once you're here, go to settings, and now this is the part where, if you have a PS4 Slim or PS4, the original one, the best quality you can have is 720. But if you have a PS4 Pro, you can go up to 1080p. But for me, since I have a PS4 Slim right now, 720 is the best frame rate. You want to put it at high, and for the best like connection, make sure you connect it to Ethernet cable. I forgot to like both PS4 and your PC, so you can have the best connection without any latency. Now once you do all that, you have to sign into your PlayStation Network and signed in. And also what you're gonna do is go on your PS4 and make sure that your account is the primary account. So what you want to do is go to settings, account management, activate as your primary PS4, and then you just want to activate as your primary PS4. Now once you do all that, you're going to just hit start. So search for your PS4, and while this is searching, I would like to thank you guys for 5,000 subscribers. It really means a lot to me. I say it all the time in the videos, but like 5,000 is like a number I never thought I'd make it to. So yeah, let's try to make it to 10K. we can do it. I know we can, so let's do it. Alright, now it's connecting to PS4. This is okay. Like before, it didn't pick up. There we go. Now it's connected. Now if open up your OBS or whatever you're using to record, just make sure this is on full screen, of course. And voila, it's on full screen. So now be able to maneuver. Hold on. Also, forgot to mention, make sure you have like a USB cable to connect to your PC since you're using Remote Play. And if you don't have a dongle that they come with so that you can do Remote Play, make sure you have a USB cable. Once you have that cable connected, you can get to playing your games. Now for this test, I'm gonna run Apex Legends, cause like that's like the game I'm good at, to be honest. Like Fortnite, I was good and then I retired, so yeah. And then I came back again cause I was bored. So let's run some Apex Legends. And also guys, if you guys would like me to stream the new season that's coming out May 12th, I would gladly like to do that, but I'd like to hear your feedback in the description down below. Slow it in. No, guys, I'm telling you, if you guys have like a PS4 Pro, this would be like the perfect way to record your gameplay. Like me personally, I'm saving up for the PS5, so it's like I don't want to get a PS4 Pro because I know the PS5 is coming out in the holiday season. Yeah. We can go into firing range right now, just to show you guys that this actually works. And that was like a lag right there. Revenant. Alright, let's go. We're inside the firing range. And we're gonna switch to oops, I was gonna turn to lobby. We're gonna switch to Pathfinder. He's always fun to like play with. And yeah, guys, as you guys can see, the video is not the best, but this is, if you don't have a capture card, this is like the best way you can record your gameplay. Even if you want to stream, this like will be the best way for you to like stream and stuff. But yeah, if you guys like this video, hit that like and that subscribe button. Also comment down below what else videos you think I should do. And also, I need you guys' help. There's gonna be a poll right in the top screen right now. It's gonna ask you guys like, what game should I play first on my channel? Cause I was wondering, I wanted to play a game on my channel, just like to spice up the channel a little bit. Cause I don't want my channel just to be like around like tech oriented stuff, tutorials and stuff. So it's gonna be a bunch of games in the poll. So choose whatever game you want me to do first. And thank you guys for watching, and peace out.